My name is Michelle Wingle, and this is Robin Johnson, and we are the owners of the Wholeness Network.
It's a daily challenge for all of us to stay balanced physically, emotionally, spiritually, and mentally. There are so many difficult life circumstances that we are facing and going through in our lives, whether you're dealing with death and divorce, abuse, health problems, addictions, or financial hardships. All of these things can affect our well-being and feelings of wholeness.
Our platform includes a library of resources to support you. In the library, there are tools that were instrumental for us to find our own healing. There are several ways you can experience the library. In the emotional challenges section, you will find specific ways to feel better. Whether you are feeling anxious, dealing with grief, or having difficulties in your relationships, we have a variety of tools to support you in these areas and more. In the categories and tools section, you can learn and grow with all sorts of mini classes, graphics and worksheets to download, and even quizzes to help you understand where you might need support. And our wholeness hacks are simple tips you can do at home. You can also search by topic for a variety of ways that you are feeling and how you want to move into wholeness.
We are people that are dedicated to conscious living. We care about the quality of your life. Welcome to our community of knowledge and growth. We hope you feel empowered to live life whole.